Hi everyone, just wanted to show you what I've been up to for the last few weeks, and this is what I've been up to, getting all of the seam sealer off. This is also what I've been up to, re-welding where I put the floor pans in, seam sealed all the way, yeah, seam sealed, yeah, all the way across. Nearly got it all off. Whoever took the handbrake cable out bent these. For the handbrake, I've got to take the handbrake off and the gear shifter off. I've got to put a nut in there for the seat and then bend that back up and weld it. This is where I've been living for the last couple of weeks. So far, I've been cleaning all of this off. It's coming off quite easily because I've got new seam sealer and everything to put under here. But I want to get all of this off so I can rush treat it first. Oh, I'm getting bits in my eyes, even when I wear goggles. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I haven't stopped working. It's just that there's nothing really to see other than I'm working underneath the car. All this has been welded. Got the thick welds on that. That's getting ready for a bit of fiberglass to go over it before I seam seal it. All there. That's where the brace has been welded. The brace I've seam welded all the way across on both sides. I had to make get my light. I had to make this bit here to match this bit where the handbrake cable goes through. So I've got to take the handbrake, this bit, off the other piece I've cut out and weld it under here, and then all this is going to be grinded. And my next job I've also been doing is where I welded in these, a bit dark under here, where I've been welding these in, the rails, I'm drilling up underneath and doing some welds underneath as well, and then putting some seam welds across it as well for extra strength. I will show you a little bit of what I've been doing inside the car in a minute, because I've been seam welding everything for extra strength, top and bottom. Loads and loads of welding. Almost done under here. I've got some on the passenger side to do. I've finished grinding these. I've had to fix where the gearbox goes. I've had to start fixing that. I'm going to grind these down. I'm going to make a little plate to go under there as well to connect to this. Even though it's strong now, I just want extra precautions. I've pretty much been going over all my welds again. Now I've got better at it. So for the people who was concerned about my welds, you ain't got to worry now. This car is really strong. She ain't going nowhere. Even where they've tack welded these metal plates, I don't even know what these plates are for. The bolt for the seat goes on this bit here, so I don't know what these plates are for. I mean, they're not on very good. A couple of spots there. I was thinking of seam welding it across there, but they don't really do anything, to be fair. Oh, also, because I'm getting close to finishing the inside, does anybody know of a good sound deadening? Can you comment below on what brands there is, because I want a really good one. I think people have also mentioned, is it Dodo Mat? I know there's some you can get for like people who do audio in cars, but I want a really good thick sound deadening. I'll be back with you shortly to show you the bit inside that I've done. I have seam welded it all the way across here, right up into that corner there. So that will be getting seam sealed. I've just got a little bit of work to do there, a bit of grinding, make sure all that's good in the corner, and then that'll be ready to be seam sealed. Remember when I first got the car, I said the roof was a bit floppy. Let me see if I can get a good image for you. I've got a light here. I said that the roof was a bit floppy, like somebody had jumped on it, and I was correct, because it's disconnected from the roof. That's why. I have bought some metal bonding. I'm going to take these off, straighten them out because they're bolted here. Take them out. I'm going to put some bond adhesive in there, and then I'm going to put a jack down here, push it up and glue that back in. And the back one's even worse. This one's actually bent completely, look. So I've got to take that off, straighten that out and glue it back to the roof. So that's what I've got to do. And also in the this is just surface rust on the roof, I can clean that up easily, but in those there where the door goes here is all rotten, as you know, so I've got that to do. So as soon as I've finished underneath, I'm going to start working on that up to the back, and then you'll see me doing the rear quarter and the window there. That window's got to come out, and I've got to start doing that, and that's when you'll start seeing the quarter panel being done as well. So I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but I didn't want to bore you with all the cleaning underneath. Most of you want to see the actual changes of the metal. So thank you for watching. It's just a short update. I will be doing a full video soon. I just wanted to keep you updated on what I'm doing, and that the car is still being worked on. It was bloody hot today. I've been sweating, and welding when you're sweating is not very nice. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe, and please comment below on the best sound deadening to get. Because I want some good sound deadening in here, and even some foam to put underneath there, like a little, before you put the carpet down. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye bye.